Good morning, everyone. Lisa with Power Wash Store, Central PA. We are turning over this most recent build to the customer today. This one is for one of our customers out of Ohio. This is a 14-foot flatbed truck, aluminum flatbed truck that was brought to us. We installed two 270-gallon tanks. This is the one, the other one just sits on the other side. In front of that, we have a 100-gallon bleach tank for soft washing and downstreaming. This 20-gallon tank here is going to be a winterization tank. Over here, we have our Hydrotech hot water, 8-gallon a minute pressure washer. This is the slimline unit with a stainless steel frame. Also, we have that custom diverter up there on top of the Hydrotech, just to direct the heat away from the unit. Over on this side, we have a 10-gallon per minute cold water dragon unit. This is a gear drive with the GX690. We have our hose reels here, Hannay hose reels, electrics. We have two 200-foot sections of pressure washing hose. And up top, we have our garden feed and soft washing hose. Couple ball valves here on the side. We like to do our SH fills or the bleach fill for customers so that they don't have to take off the lids on the tank, because whenever you take the lids off your tank, that's when bleach starts spilling. So we like to avoid that if at all possible. So we have a connection here, which they will be able to connect their hose and fill that bleach tank, that 100-gallon bleach tank, without having to take off the lid. And again, we do that just so you don't have to take off lids whenever you are filling bleach, because that's when problems start happening, bleach starts spilling. And here we have some 12-volt pumps. It's a little dark in there. These are the 6-gallon a minute pumps. One is going to be for that bleach fill, and then the second one is a soft wash system bleach pump that's going to work with our proportioner up here. So this makes soft washing easy. With that proportioner, it allows you to just turn your dials to set the exact mix that you're looking for and start cleaning. What we do here on all of our builds, we do a lot of stuff through the deck, just to keep the plumbing tidy. These are some bulkhead fittings here. We just go through the deck with those, then go into the toolbox. We have our fuel line. We have our gas tank, which sits over here on the other side of the 8-gallon a minute machine. We only have one fuel tank to feed this machine, but it had to be placed over on the other side. So we had to get that fuel line from the left side over to the right side. And we don't want to necessarily run that across the deck, just because, we want to keep the spaces open as much as possible for storing, surface cleaners, generators, and things like that. So what we did here is we just ran that fuel line underneath the deck, attached it to that strapping there, so you won't have any issues with that fuel line. This customer had this little box installed. It's kind of neat thing. They can slide ladders and poles and other things in and out of that little storage space there. Then going back over to this side, this truck is going to be used for a lot of commercial cleaning. So we do have a hydrant fill over here. That hydrant fill, you'll hook up your fill, and it's going to fill up into both of those 270-gallon tanks. Hydrant fill was installed with that air gap on the top of the tanks. You can't see it from down here, but there's the air gap with that hydrant fill. If you're looking to do a custom build like this or something a little bit different, maybe a truck skid, trailer build, we have you covered. Give us a call here at Power Wash Store, Central PA, 717-378-2276. And make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Power Wash Store of Central PA. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.